Hi friend, good evening. Today I will discuss about how to trade Nifty Future using this Excel sheet where you have to enter the high low and open of the first 15-minute candle and the high low of the second 15-minute candle here. So at 9:45 you already know what to do using this Excel sheet. You will get the level over here, whether you have to enter long short or not. I will show you exactly what to do using this Excel sheet. I found that there is always 4 to 6 trade in a month in a range. The profit range at current market level is comes around 8 to 12k per trade in an average. And obviously there is not all trade get profit, give us profit. Some trade also give us losses, but I found that generally based on these trailing stop methodology I will describe, most of the trade either close in profit or we exit in cost to cost. There is very rare occasion sometime also there we take we take a loss, but then let's me define first how to do it. So at the open of the market after 9:45 when you will get the first two candle. So this is the 15-minute Nifty chart of today, and after these two candles happen, you have to enter the data here. What you have to enter is the first 15-minute candle open, high, low. So open of the first 15-minute candle is, once you enter this trade data here, you will get the trade over here. Let me show you how. Open is 9,335,335.85, and high of the first candle 9391.85, and the low of the first candle 9325.60. The high of the second candle is 949442.35, and the low of the second candle 9371.70. Once you enter this data, you have to click over here, and you will find the trade will appear automatically over here. So what was the trade today? There was others thing also, but the important thing is here, the direction. It says short entry 9369.80. I request you to put the exact order at the exact level mentioned here. You do not need to put any buffer, anything. It is already calculated based on everything. So 9369.80 will be your order. Your initial stop loss was 9443.20. Again, you do not need to add any point with it. Everything is done for you. And lot of people ask me what is this trail trigger level. So let me check first the entry. So the entry was below 936980 and short. Probably here in this candle your short will be entered, right? So this low is 9371.60. It's slightly below that, 70.84. This is 69.30. So this candle your trade will execute. Now what is this initial trigger level, trail trigger level? 9322.90. So what it means that if market move below 9322.90, that means this is 23, so slightly below that. So once market move below this level in this candle, what you have to do, you have to put your trail your stop loss from 944320 to your entry 936980. That's it. So as you can see today, after in this candle market moves below 9322.90. That is the reason we trail our stop loss cost to cost after this candle. That means when market moves up below 9322.90, this level will come automatically here. Once you trail your stop loss at the entry level, then you have to hold the trade till 3 p.m. Now, a defensive trader can trail their stop loss at the entry level. If you are a bit aggressive and trading for long, then you may not trail. This choice is completely up to you. But our exit is at 3 p.m. So as you can see today at 3 p.m. the market was a 9232 level. So there was almost 140 point profit today using this excel sheet, and I believe that you should try this excel sheet because it's tell you precisely what to do exactly after 9:45 every day whenever there is a trade. Mostly, as I mentioned earlier also, there is 4 to 6 opportunity I found using this excel sheet, and in an average 8 to 12k was our profit range. Most of the trade either exit at 3 p.m. at profit or exit at trailing stop loss cost to cost basis, and few trade obviously sometimes got stop loss trigger. Thank you so much for your time. Until next time, I want you all take good care, stay safe, and bye.